You really don't have to do all this, man.
Scarlet, you really overdid yourself earlier. I'm glad we have these powers, but they're no good if we exert ourselves too much. Please, take it easy for the night. I'll see you in the morning.
Ugh, fine. Thanks. You've really grown up to be an amazing person. Feels like just yesterday, I was feeding you hatchling milk.
Oh, stop it. It's just the least I could do in return. You've been caring for me my whole life, and now that we're supernovas, you're so much stronger and... never mind. Get some sleep.
Hold on, what were you about to say?
Nothing. Don't worry about me. Good night, Scarlet. The flames of Inferno. How can I compare? Scarlet, you should be back at home.
Yeah, you and I both know that wasn't gonna happen. You only come here this late when you're upset. Besides, these guys wanted some fresh air.
You had us worried too, you know. What's up?
It's just... Scarlet, you're amazing. All your life, you've been so strong for me, and now you're being strong for others. You saved all those guys earlier from those hivelings, and I want to be strong too. But I'm not brave like you are.
I do everything for you. Life has never been easy for us. But waking up every morning, knowing I had you to look forward to, it made everything worth it. I've watched you grow into the woman you are today, and I know you are strong. Not just here, but also here.
And we're only here because of you. BB and I are literally raggedy old stuffies. I don't think you can even buy us in stores anymore. But you love us all the same. And that love was so strong, it gave us life. You're really something.
Thanks, guys. Really, it means a lot. I'm really grateful to have a sister like you and, of course, little buddies like you two.
Guys, we got trouble.
You again.
Oh, look who's back for round 2. We'll wipe the floor with these.
Guys!
Nova Blitz! Celebration!
The tranquil ocean waves beneath the shimmering sky. Nova Stream! Steel yourself if you dare.
We're stuck in a duck. What luck?
Don't worry, little man. How about we cook this bird? Nova Blitz! Stellar Halation! Oh. Well, plan B it is.
And what's plan B?
Believe in stream, of course.
You have someone I need. I'll be taking you now. Scarlet!
Not bad for someone who isn't brave like me.
Oh, whatever. Let's get out of here. The tranquil ocean waves. Maybe they can compare to the flames of Inferno. Oh, hey, Paul. It's pretty late. You need something?
Salutations, Bubbles for Brains. I require you and the hothead at dawn. I believe I have reached a scientific breakthrough.